Last one is for Sana. Kalra. Yeah. Kalra wants to keep the lamp in the bedroom. Lampa is the lamper.
Carla will
Kalra will.
their lamper.
Lampa is the lamper, Sana. So
The
accusative lamp. Yeah, the lamper.
in bedroom was
Das Schlafzimmer.
okay. In das Schlafzimmer.
In das Schlafzimmer stellen. Okay, good. So we didn't change the article for the because even though it's accusative, but still in the accusative nominative, the remains the. We don't change it. So that's why the lampa will remain the lampa. And Schlafzimmer's article is das. So in accusative, we also don't change neutrum. So it is stellen. Right. It's das. So now, did you get why we are using in as accusative here? Because of two reasons. We are using the accusative verb stellen. And also, this sentence shows movement, that we are placing the thing. Agar, if the sentence will become like this, just imagine the sentence that is yet to come. The bed is in the bedroom. Now, this sentence has a movement or not? Tell me, the bed is in the bedroom.
No.
What do you think? This sentence has the movement or not?
No movement.
But if I say, I am placing the bed in the bedroom, then
there is a movement.
Then there is a movement. In both the cases, we have one preposition that's common, in, but the only difference is that this will be a dative Satz because it has got no movement. It shows कि bed वहां पे रखा हुआ है. अब मैंने रखा है, मेरे भाई ने रखा है, किसी ने भी रखा है, that doesn't make sense. But यहाँ पे it shows that the bed has been kept or I am keeping the bed there. That's why in with accusative. Anybody who can let me know the dative translation for this sentence, in and dative, how do we say that? Check if you can do it. You know the word for is ist. So how do we say? Only the in के बाद जो article लगेगा वो dative में लगेगा. Rest everything is same. Try. How do we say it? The bed is in the bedroom? Ashwin, why don't you try? The bed, that's the das bed. This is the word das bed. And you have to put is in the bedroom. So how do we say that?
Ist in das Schlafzimmer.
I said it's a dative sentence, right? Ashwin, das changes to what in dative?
Can't remember it. Didn't
Anybody?
study.
The
Das changes to the in dative.
not the there or then anyone it is.
Yeah, it's them. Das changes to them. So it will be like the das bed is in dem Schlafzimmer. And what is the short form of in plus dem? Last chapter. It is like im Schlafzimmer. And the next accusative sentence, Samriddhi. I am placing. So you have to use the verb stelle. So ich stelle. Complete.
Ich stelle das Bett
Das Bett richtig?
ins,
Did you say ins?
ins Schlafzimmer,
Schlafzimmer, Schlaf.
Schlafzimmer.
So we saw two sentences with in, but the only difference is that one is with dative, other one is with accusative. We didn't change this das to they because as we know in accusative, das doesn't change. So this is in the book. We have not done this yet. We'll be doing in the next page. But I thought of giving a clear-cut example of why do we use in with accusative and why do we use in with dative. I hope the difference is clear to you or not.
Yes, ma'am.
The difference is clear to you or not?
Klar.
Yeah, I believe. Okay, good. So this was it. Okay, now you have got here 6 words: computer, sofa, regal, Bett, Herd und Schreibtisch. You have to write where do you want to place these things at your home. For example, let me take one sentence with computer. So I want to say I want to place my computer in my bedroom. So I would say, or in the bedroom. So I would say ich stelle. You have to make with ich stelle den Computer ins Schlafzimmer. So I am placing the computer in the bedroom. So you have to make sentences with these 5 things or 6 things. Where do you want to place these? So all the sentences has to be in plus accusative because you are talking about you will be placing. I am placing, I am placing. So when it is I am placing, it has to be den. Yeah, it has to be accusative, remember. So bitte machen Sie das als Hausaufgabe, schreiben Sie Satz. Wo, in welches Zimmer stellen Sie die Dinge? In which Zimmer you are placing the things? Am I clear with the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, okay. So this was the thing now you have here. After they have arranged their home, yeah, they have given an invite to their friends. They have sent an invite to their friend. So you read the letter, it's an invitation, and let me know what is that one thing which is missing in this invitation. There is one important information that has to be there, but it is not there, it's missing. So what is that one information that they have missed in their Einladung? Read and let me know if you are able to figure out the mistake. What is the one important information that they are missing here? Read it and let me know. There is one important information that they have missed while writing the introductions or while writing their invitation. So what is that one piece of information?
Where is the party? It's in the hands of
Okay. Uh-huh.
And the time.
Where? What, Sana?
And the time.
Time. Yeah. Only time? Or?
Time, then where the party is going to be held.
But it's written there. Wir feiern am Samstag in der Hahnerstraße 11a. So the room number is given. The apartment number is given. So there is no problem with the location. One is time. The other thing? Think. No guesses? Samriti? Is it given ki when is the party? One. Time to chalo nahi diya hua hai one, and when, that is like on which day or which date? Datu. Since Saturday likha hua hai, so which Saturday? Not known yet. So the date is missing And also the time is missing. Datum on what side? दोनों missing है. Party किस दिन? कौन से Saturday को है? आज इस वाला Saturday, coming Saturday, next Saturday. There is no time, there is no date given, and moreover there is no time given. So you have to listen to this conversation, which is the last thing for today, and you have to note here and see the fehlende Information. And fehlende is missing. Information means information. So you have to note down the date and time from the Huron. So I am playing. Please be concentrated enough to look for the timing and for the date. So here it is. 26.
Carla Schneider?
Hallo Carla, hier ist Vanessa.
Ach, hallo Vanessa. Wie geht's dir?
Ja, gut. Du, vielen Dank für die Einladung zu eurer Party.
Gerne. Ich hoffe, du kommst.
Ja, natürlich. Aber an welchem Samstag ist die Feier denn? In der Einladung steht gar kein Datum.
Oh nein, wirklich? Also am 3. Juni.
Und um wie viel Uhr?
Oh Mann, steht das auch nicht in der Nachricht? Also um 19 Uhr.
Super. Dann sehen wir uns am Samstag. Du, sag mal, kommt Vater?
Ja, so Datum und Uhrzeit. Können Sie es finden oder soll ich das noch einmal spielen?
I was able to hear the time only.
Okay. Again.
Carla Schneider?
Hallo Carla, hier ist Vanessa.
Ach, hallo Vanessa. Wie geht's dir?
Ja, gut. Du, vielen Dank für die Einladung zu eurer Party.
Gerne. Ich hoffe, du kommst.
Ja, natürlich. Aber an welchem Samstag ist die Feier denn? In der Einladung steht gar kein Datum.
Oh nein, wirklich? Also am 3. Juni.
Und um wie viel Uhr?
Oh Mann, steht das auch nicht in der Nachricht? Also um 19 Uhr.
Super. Dann sehen wir uns am Samstag. Du, sag mal, kommt Vater?
Können Sie dieses Mal den Datum oder die Uhrzeit finden? Welche Datum ist es? Which date it is? Das ist ganz klar. Ja?
I think it's 4th.
Nine. Anybody else? Guesses? Written Juni. Written Juni, 3rd of June. And what site is this month? Samriddhi, I think you got the timing.
19 Uhr.
What was it? Richtig. So I'm written Juni 19 Uhr. This was the timing. Yeah, and written Juni is the date. Okay, no problem. So you have got homeworks to write the sentences, or where do you want to keep those items in your room? And then just do one thing. Because it's an invitation letter, so the answer can be either a yes or no. Yes, I would like to come. No, I cannot come. So you have got two places here. One is Sie können kommen. You can come. The other part says Sie können nicht kommen. You cannot come. So your work is to choose or to read all the sentences that you have here and try to understand what these sentences mean. If you are able, or if you can, or if you think that you have understood the sentences, then try to write down an email answer, wherein you would first say thank you for the mail, which is given in the first line. And liebe or the liebe, that's, for a female, we write liebe. For liebe, it's for male. And if you think you cannot write the mail yourself, answer, you just read the sentences. Mail we will write in the class in the next time. But then, if you think you can, then please try to write down the mail by yourself. Everything is given there. You need not to add any extra sentence. You just have to pick up the correct sentence according to your thing, like what do you want to do, and you have to paste it. You have to make the sentences from here only. So your work is to read the sentences, try to understand the meaning, and use it while writing and reply to the invitation. If you can do it, it's fine. If you cannot do it, then we will do it together on Wednesday.